Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Melanie Bag by Cassiopeia. This has been on my list for so long to make, and trust me, this pattern does not disappoint. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So it's got this really beautiful, sophisticated look. It features metal handles, crossbody strap. Underneath the flap, we have a slip pocket. And inside, we have a recessed zipper. Actually, it's not really recessed, it's kind of a top closure zipper. A decorative zipper pocket and two decorative slip pockets. It's a medium-sized handbag. It can be made in cottons, it can be made in leathers, it can be made in faux leathers like I've done here. It's just, I don't know. I just love the look of this bag. I just can't stop raving about it. It is just so beautiful. If you are a client of mine and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. If you are part of my bag makers community, this is actually the bag we are making in the Tuesday classes for October 2022. So the tutorial for this is going to be released shortly after this to the membership side. It will be public side after the last class on October 25th, I believe, whatever the last Tuesday of October is, and then the tutorial will be made live to the public side. If you're a part of the public side and you don't want to wait, there's a couple options you could do to see the tutorial on this early. On my membership side, I'll put a link down below in the description. There's the Beans Peeps Club, which is $4.99 a month, which gets you the sneak peek of the tutorials when they're released to the membership side. $4.99 Canadian a month if you want part of that. It also has some live sews or something. Whenever I'm doing homework for the classes, I tend to go live, and that's part of the Beans Peeps Club too, so that could be something that may interest you. There's usually 2 tutorials a month that get released at the beginning for our classes, depending if I have tutorials on them already, or you can come and sew along with us on Tuesdays, 4 p.m. Pacific time, live, so it's a very interactive class. So this one is under the Tuesday-Thursday sew along group, which is $34.99 Canadian a month to join. You can cancel anytime, of course. So we will be starting this one tonight, depending when you're watching this. We're the beginning of October 2022 now. So yes, if you want to sew along with us, that you can definitely do that. Join the Beans Peeps Club to see the tutorial early, or you can wait till the end of the month and you can see it then. This is definitely a bag you are going to want to make. It is amazing. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.